How many fans of the Deftones do we have in the house tonight? How many fans of the band the Deftones we have in the house tonight? Make your way onto this fucking floor. This is your time to shine. All you motherfuckers need to do right now is bounce up and down. And I promise this is gonna be a fucking shitload of fun. All you motherfuckers have to do is bounce. This is engine number 9 by the fucking Deftones. On your goddamn feet, let's do this shit. Get the fuck up! Deftones' first record, and all the rest to follow. I promise you'll fucking get into that shit. That's where we fucking come from.